The weekend has come and gone and you've got some leftover ciabatta rolls or sourdough bread, I highly recommend trying my crouton salad recipe. To start making this panzanella, start chopping up your ciabatta or your bread into 1-inch cubes and placing them on a baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil and season with some salt and some pepper. Place in the preheated oven, and since the oven is hot, I'm going to place some slices of prosciutto on another baking tray with parchment paper and in the oven with the croutons. For the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to slice up some onion, some cherry tomatoes, olives, and bocconcini balls. Then, for the dressing, chop up some garlic and place in a small bowl with some olive oil and some white wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, and then mix everything together to combine. Drizzle over the ingredients in the bowl and then toss together and set aside. When everything in the oven is ready, take out the slices of prosciutto and place on a cooling rack and then take out the croutons. Finish the salad with some fresh basil, and I'm gonna add a bit of pepperoncini peppers for a little extra heat and toss everything together in the bowl. When ready to serve, add the cooled croutons to the bowl with the rest of the ingredients and gently fold everything together. When the prosciutto chips have cooled down, they are nice and crispy and ready to serve with this amazing and flavorful crouton salad. And if you want, you can even break some up into the salad directly for even more flavor. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.
Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.